Hello, good morning, girls. How are you all? Girls, open your science book, page number 81, Unit 9 Electricity. Today, we are going to learn about electricity and its form. But before all, we are going to study what are atoms. If you remember that in our first chapter, Brains and Nerves, we have studied that all living things are made up of cells, and we call cell as the basic unit of all living things. But over here, we will study that atoms are the basic unit of all non-living things. So atoms are tiny particles which cannot be seen with naked eye. Rather, they are observed under an electronic microscope. Atoms are divided into subatomic particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, as you can see in the picture above, which clearly describes about structure of an atom. In the center of an atom we have nucleus, which carries protons and neutrons. Protons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, whereas neutrons carry no charge. Girls, move to page number 82. There, you can see the topic of electric current. Two positive or different charges means positive and a negative charge will attract each other. But when two same charges, it means when two positive charges or two negative charges, they will not attract each other. Either they are going to repel each other. Girls, you have to do the concept check on page number 82 with the pencil on book. Girls, open page number 82. There you can see the heading of types of electricity. There are two types of electricity, current and static electricity. Electricity is a type of energy and it is built in one place and it moves forwards from that place to another place. When electricity is gathered at one place, it is known as static electricity. The word static means something that cannot be moved. Electricity that moves from one place to another is known as your current electricity. Girls, open page number 83. There you can see the heading of current electricity. In metals mostly, the electrons are free to move. When such materials are connected to battery or to main sockets, their electrons become energized and they start moving through the metal. And this flow of electrons is known as your electric current. Girls, next type of electricity is static electricity. You experience static electricity in your daily life. What happens when you pull off your sweater in cold and dry weather? You get fly away here. This is because of static electricity. When you pull off your sweater rub against your hair. Electrons move from your hair to your sweater. Now your hair has lost few electrons and they all are positively charged since they are going to repel each other, and as a result you will get fly away hair. On page 82 you can see a diagram where a man is rubbing a comb against his hair. The comb will become charged. When you bring this charged comb near a piece of paper, the comb attracts them. This happens due to imbalance of electrons on the surface of the objects. And this imbalance of positive and negative charges is called Static electricity. Static electricity is also observed in our nature as well. Come on page number 84. Electricity in nature. When clouds rub against each other, electrons move from one cloud to another. If too many electrons move very fast, the air between the clouds gets so hot that it produces a spark. And this spark is called as lightning. Girls, you can see a concept check on page number 84, and you have to do this concept check with the pencil on the book. Girls, our next topic is circuit and fuses. As you can see, the picture of circuit, it is complete, so the current can flow through it and it is going to lit up the appliance. But if it is not complete, then the current will not flow through the appliance and the bulb will not be lit up. A fuse is a safety measure which protects the appliances and its wiring. Fuse is basically a small wire which is melt by a fault and will not cause the current to flow. This breaks the circuit and protect the appliances. Girls, I hope the topic of electricity is clear to you all. You have to do the back exercises on the book with the pencil. Take care. Goodbye.